In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a Canva creator. First, head to the Canva creators website. This is the official hub where designers, illustrators, and template makers submit applications to contribute content to Canva's library. Once you're there, look for the button that says Become a Creator and select it to start the application flow. On the first screen, choose the option that says I create beautiful designs such as illustrations and ready-to-use templates. This tells Canva that you're applying as a content creator who contributes assets people can drop into their projects. When you've selected it, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose your specialty. Pick the areas where you're most confident and experienced, whether that's templates, illustrations, graphics, or other design categories. It's okay to focus on a niche. Clarity helps reviewers understand the type of value you bring. After making your selections, click Continue. You'll now choose your level. Be honest about whether you're just getting started, intermediate, or advanced. Canva uses this to match expectations and opportunities, so accuracy works in your favor. Click Continue to move on. You'll see a section about content strategy. Open it and indicate how you plan to create for the platform, your style, themes, or types of projects you plan to publish. If there are multiple options, pick the one that best aligns with your approach. Then click Continue. You'll be asked about your motivation. Select the reason that most closely reflects why you want to join, whether that's sharing your skills with a global audience, building your portfolio, or earning from your work. Authenticity matters here. Click Continue again. Finally, complete your personal details. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and submit your application. Enter accurate information and use a professional tone. If the form asks for links, include examples of your best designs so reviewers can quickly see your strengths. Before submitting, take a moment to double check for typos and make sure your selections reflect your true skills and goals. After you submit, keep an eye on your email for updates. Review times can vary, so don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. While you wait, continue refining your portfolio and exploring trending styles on Canva to stay inspired. That's it. You've completed the application process. Good luck, and I hope to see your work featured inside Canva soon.